Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the wonderful world of ramps. These aren't your everyday greens, they're wild leeks, a true sign of spring. Ramps are cherished for their distinctive garlicky onion flavor, a unique taste you won't find anywhere else. They only pop up for a few precious weeks each year, making them a very special ingredient. If you're lucky enough to find some, you're in for a real treat. Before cooking, proper cleaning is key. Start by giving your ramps a thorough wash under cold running water, making sure to remove any soil. Pay close attention to the base of the white bulb where dirt can hide. Next, you can gently separate the white bulb from the green leaves if you wish, or keep them intact. Finally, just trim off the very end of the root, and now your ramps are ready for action. One of the best ways to enjoy ramps is a simple sauté. Heat a pan with a tablespoon of your favorite oil or butter over medium heat. Once it's shimmering, add the white bulbs of the ramps first, cooking them for about a minute or two until they start to soften. Then, toss in the vibrant green leaves for just about 30 seconds, letting them wilt slightly. A little salt and pepper and they are perfect. Beyond sautéing, ramps are incredibly versatile. Try blending the green leaves into a vibrant pesto, perfect for pasta or toast. You can also finely chop them and mix them into scrambled eggs, adding a delicious garlicky kick to your breakfast. For a longer-lasting treat, consider quick pickling the bulbs. They make a fantastic tangy condiment. The possibilities are truly endless with this delightful ingredient. Now that you've cooked your ramps, it's time to enjoy them. They're fantastic as a simple side dish, or you can stir them into pasta, risotto, or even spread them on toast. Remember, these are a truly special, fleeting taste of spring, so savor every bite. Get creative in the kitchen, share your delicious ramp dishes with others, and embrace the joy of seasonal cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.